hari ini lagi cerah. Terus aku mau ke supermarket dulu buat membeli telur. Karena telur aku udah habis, sama sayur, sama kayaknya itu deh. Itu dulu kayaknya. Supaya bisa dipakai buat memasak besok. Cuma walaupun mataharinya sedang terang, sepertinya tetap dingin. Jadi at least aku harus menggunakan shawl untuk menutupi leher. Set tinggal dingin. Sama beanie. Biar kupingnya sama kepalanya nggak dingin. Oke. Oh, tas belanja. Nih, black cat. Oke. Setelah seharian duduk di kamar doang, perlu juga untuk kayak refreshing sedikit, jadi keluar gitu untuk bisa menghirup sedikit udara segar. So, apa tuh? Kayak pergi ke supermarket sebentar itu juga sudah cukup membantu ya. Oke, here we go. Walaupun dekat, tapi aku tetap suka naik sepeda. Karena ada tasnya. Jadi belanjaan aku nanti bisa masuk di sini. Tuh. Tapi aku juga baru tahu sih kalau ternyata apparently katanya punya bike bag, tas sepeda gitu tuh. Dilihatnya tuh sebenarnya nggak cool buat yang anak muda gitu. Ini more untuk yang udah tua katanya. Pantesan selama ini aku sering lihat kenapa banyak sepeda yang nggak punya tas sepeda di belakangnya. Ternyata salah satu alasannya adalah itu. Mereka terlihat tidak cool. Padahal sih fungsional banget. Oke. Oopsie. Kalau dilihat pohon-pohonnya udah benar-benar kering, udah nggak ada daun-daunnya. Jadinya terang banget sih, karena udah nggak ada yang nutupin kan. Nih, daunnya udah pada gugur. Oopsie. Look at that. Oh, so much.
But now you're stuck chasing the miles of goodbye. It's not the weight of what we did or didn't take. It's all the words we bent until they finally broke away. We packed it up, but we couldn't
beli air mineral buat bikin kopi. Kalau cuma minum air putih biasa aku minum air keran, tapi ternyata kalau bikin kopi enakan pakai air mineral yang di botol. Ingat nih, dulu aku suka banget makan ginian. Udah Mentos. Ini juga enak banget, aku suka. Kayak rasa balado gitu. Oke, sudah selesai belanjanya. Mungkin mau putar-putar sekali sebelum balik. Mumpung masih terang. Lihat nih contohnya di depan aku. Tuh, dia juga habis belanja, tapi sepeda itu nggak ada tasnya. Jadi belanjanya kayak dia pegang gitu loh. Ya kan? Mereka kayak nggak apa-apa untuk memegang si ini itu, si tas belanjaannya, daripada di bike bag.
You packed your boots, but you left the dirt. Stitch yourself into my favorite shirt. I told myself it's just a stain, but every thread is tied to your name. You took the drug, but you left the keys to every door you had locked in me. You said you called when the roads ran dry, but now you're stuck chasing the miles of goodbye. It's not the weight of what we did or didn't take. It's all the words we bent until they finally broke away. We packed it up, but we couldn't drive the pain. Now it's all the miles we're missing and the things we didn't say. You left the matches, but never let them burn. Where there's smoke, I guess I'll
Biasanya kalau lewat jembatan ini tuh kayak ada lagunya, lagu-lagu itu, tapi ini nggak ada.
And now we're just the echoes that we can't untie. It's not the weight of what we did or
Ini
didn't
atas,
say.
ini orange.
It's all the words we bent until they finally broke away. We packed it up, but we couldn't
geraknya dikit. Setelah duduk berjam-jam untuk belajar, lumayan ini ada refreshingnya. Oke, sekarang aku mau kembali ke housing untuk lanjut belajar lagi buat ujian. Udah dah. Sampai juga. Ingusan deh pasti kalau habis sepedahan dengan cuaca yang dingin. Oke. Sampai deh di kamar lagi. Oke. Jadi panas. Sebentar lagi udah mau sunset. Hi. I'm not feeling really well because I got my period today and I've been having a very bad headache since this morning. But it is better now. But now I want to make some tea. Tea, but with tolak angin. This is like our secret recipe, our remedy. People in Indonesia really usually take this whenever they are feeling not good or they're feeling cold. And yeah, this is really works. Usually I will take it directly, drink from the sachet like this. But now I kind of want to drink it as a tea, so I just pour it into my mug and just mix it with hot water. It smells so good. Do I need to mix it? Oh. Okay. Wow, it's really, really, really good. You can inhale the vapor, and you can already feel it. The second one, ta-da! This is a hot water bag. My friend Camila, this is hers, and I borrow it from her. She's very nice. She let me use this. And okay, and I also have to pour the hot water inside this. Whoa. Okay, I think that's enough. And then you close it with the lid. There you have it. This is so cute, so comfortable. And it's warm now. So I got myself a warm bag and a warm tea. Okay. Ooh. Usually I never really like this when I got my period. I think this is quite first time since a while. Usually I will just feel a bit of tiredness, and overall was still okay, but now not. I think it's maybe this past few weeks have been very intense for me with all the courses, assignments. Yeah, I stayed up late often, and that is not good for your body, obviously. Yeah, I think it all finally catch up to me. So yeah, lesson learned, really let yourself rest. Don't make it a habit to work until very late, especially if it's every day. No, it's definitely not a good habit. Yeah. Bedtime reminder. So, not, yeah. Really, guys, rest is important. So, don't take it for granted. No. Oh, it feels so nice. It feels like you're holding a cat because it's warm and furry. Except this one is not trying to kill you. No, joking. I mean, my cat will never let me hold them. So, yeah, this one is nice. Stays. It lets me to hold. Okay, I'm gonna rest now. See you.